Once again, I animated this entire video using only YouTube subtitles. And if the screen is black, click the button that says CC to turn on the animation. Then replay the video and it should work on PC and mobile. So let me know if this video also works on your TV. And if your device is lagging, try it on another one that has more power and the animation will be buttery smooth. So comment if you survived this video. And if the video looks too pixelated, you can share it with a friend on Discord, because in the Discord preview, it looks a lot better and it's fun to troll your friends with it. Just make sure you turn on captions in the little preview window. You can also try replaying the video on different speeds to see if it runs better. And it's also just fun to see how the animation looks slower and then fast. Let me know in the comments which animation was your favorite, and if you could tell what each animation was supposed to be. I want to see who else is cooked like I am. Oh, and by the way, I think the video looks coolest when it's slowed down to 0.25 speed, but you might need to turn off my voice because it sounds annoying. Thanks for watching.